Hey there, welcome to our free video course on how to bring sales on your e-commerce store without spending a dime on paid ad. I'm Aashirvad Kumar, founder and CEO of Optimize for SEO. And we are going to talk about how you can bring sales on your e-commerce store. I am thrilled to be your guide in this journey. You might be curious why we are here. Okay, so what you have done, Aashirvad, in past, and how many sales you have bring. So we have bring millions of dollars to our clients. Here are a few examples, you can check it out. We have bring sales from 0 to 355k in few months. Our CTR rate is more than 5%, and few website is just fresh, so that you will see 100k approx revenue from there. So we are delivering results. We are doing things for a long time. So we know how industry works, how your industry works, what are the things you will need. Well, here we are to discuss the 9 things, magical SEO things to boost your e-commerce sales. Let's get started. Form of SEO. It is a really magical thing to apply on your e-commerce store if you want to bring sales organically. Okay, there are many steps you can do to bring sales, or you can say or get organic traffic or organic sales. Search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or others. There are many platforms. Think about it. There are many people who are using Google. Okay, approx 70% of the people are using Google on their phones, on their laptops. Okay, and 20% like other search engines. You are spending lot of money on paid ads. And think about it, you are just going to apply some SEO techniques which are going to bring organic traffic or organic sales to your website. Well, what are the things you can do to apply SEO on your website? Well, here your journey starts. There are 9 basic things which you can apply on your website and you can bring sales. First and basic thing is keyword research. Knowing your industry, knowing about your products, knowing about your audience is the main part of any businesses. Knowing about the market, any businesses. Think about the product who are selling shoes, suppose it are Nike. They know their audience, okay? So this is the thing. If they are making shoes for 5 to 12 age, then their target audience will be their parents. Okay, their parents are gonna pay them to buy the shoes, okay, and their grandparents and whoever. So basic thing is knowing about your audience and knowing about your market. So what are the first thing? First thing is optimizing keyword. Okay, doing keyword research is the most essential part for any online SEO game, and it is most important thing in SEO to rank any website on any search engine. Knowing about the exact product name, product keyword. Okay, think about it. Just I want to give you an example here. Think about it. If you want to buy an iPhone, then what will you search on Google, and what will you going to do on the search engine? First thing is you are going to do is going to Google and searching for buy an iPhone. Where to buy an iPhone 14 or whatever model is. So you are searching for a particular product which you want to buy. Okay, the same applies on your business. Suppose that you are a clothes seller. Okay, you have a brand and you are selling shirts or t-shirts. Okay, so think about it, what people are going to search for. Okay, there are many platforms which you can use and leverage their free services, such as Uber Suggest. It's a free, you can use it, and you can use Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool as well. And if you want to know about the paid tools, there are many paid tools like SEMrush, Href. There are many paid tools. Okay, so you can go and search for them. But here's the catch. Before going to those tools and searching for buy t-shirt or t-shirt online something, if you are a brand who's selling clothes, so do one thing. Do a keyword research from your competitors. There are many websites, there are many competitors which are ranking on Google or running ads or whatever. So why don't you go with them? Go and do a competitor analysis, what they are doing, how they are doing. That is gonna help you in saving your time and efforts and bringing the useful keywords among you. Okay, so do this first. And what next? Next one is optimizing your product pages. Okay, suppose that you have a product page of a shirt, printed shirt, suppose that. Okay, so optimize those pages with various steps, like optimizing your meta content, optimizing your product images, optimizing your description of the product, adding alt text in the images. There are many things you can do. So optimize your product page, make your image attractive and relevant to your products, whatever you are selling. And optimize your, most important thing is optimizing your product title. Focus on that. Optimize your product description. Focus on that. Make it more and more relevant to your product and your customers. Go out there and do a keyword research according to your product and do it. Okay, optimize your product pages with a relevant meta title, meta description, image alt text, product schema. It's a technical SEO, but yeah, you need to do this. Don't forget to add keywords, what you have researched earlier. As much as keywords you can use, but make sure those are relevant to your product, relevant to your, don't add random keywords. Don't do keyword stuffing. Just put the relevant keywords according to your products. Here are a few examples, you can check it out. Now we have talked about keyword research, product page optimization, and now next thing is optimize your content. Make it SEO friendly. Now here is the thing. Suppose that you are in e-commerce, okay, e-commerce and selling some sort of t-shirt or shirts. Suppose, okay, you are in e-commerce. Now what you need to do is you need to publish some content on your website. It can be anything. It can be blog or blogs. It can be reviews, anything. Okay, or it can be like you are posting some best selling products of shirts. It can be anything. So optimize your content. Make it SEO friendly. Okay, let the people understand, or let the people educate actually about your products or about your best products. Okay, and it's gonna really helpful. If you telling the people that these are the best t-shirts for summers, suppose just one thing, best t-shirts for summers. Okay, you are posting a blog on your website and mentioning the 12 best t-shirts according to you or according to your sellers, which have got a better reviews, which are your best sellers actually. So mention those products, 12 products from your website, and tell them these are the best t-shirt for some. Just make a title of 12 best t-shirts for summer, 12 best t-shirt for winter. Okay, make it title like this, make it catchy, and write as much as content you can and describe your product accordingly. Okay, this is the best thing you can do to optimize your SEO content and posting the content on your website. Make the people know about the t-shirts, make the people know about your product. It's also provide the best experience to your customers. Now here is the thing, we have talked about the keyword research, we have talked about the product page optimization, we have talked about the content writing or content optimization on your website. Now next, what next? Next it comes to the link building. Okay, make a connection to the people. There are many methods you can build the link, but best part is to make it relevant. Make it relevant. Distribute your links to the relevant website, not the random website. Okay, suppose that you are a seller, you are selling a t-shirt and you are going to make a link from or build a link from a random website, okay, education website, then not gonna help you. Make it relevant. Okay, build your link through a relevant website. Let me explain you this. You are in e-commerce, okay, and you are selling a t-shirt or a shirt. Okay, now how you can do this? Okay, t-shirt brands, what they are relevant to? First thing is like clothing. Okay, second thing will be like fashion. okay, or who are posting some new fashion, trendy fashions post, you can connect with them. Third thing you can do, connect to the influencers who are doing the same kind of stuff, okay, and the same kind of industry, or some bloggers or influencer posting about the fabrics, okay, those also comes under the clothing sector. So make your links relevant. Link building is really helpful for any businesses. It's not dead, it's helpful. Many people say that link building is not working, but it's worked. But you have to create in a relevant way, not the random way. Those are not gonna make sense, right? You are selling a t-shirt and someone came to your website for buying a shoes, so those are not relevant, right? Now next thing is social media and SEO, or social media with SEO. How you can do that? As we all know that social media has a huge audience. For any kind of sectors, it has a huge audience. Everyone is using like TikTok, everyone is using Instagram, everyone is using Twitter, everyone is using, almost everyone is using Facebook, okay? So you can use them to sell, use them to boost, okay? What you need to do is, you need to do some simple sort of things. First thing is, you need to do a regular posting over there, okay? You don't need to do a paid ads right now. If you are starting your business or you just established, you just need to post your attractive images, okay, and describe them in your way. Make sure you have a proper title of your products, which gonna help the user to understand and make them relevant. First. Second thing you can do in social media is sharing your products. Let's take an example of TikTok. What you can do is, you can just create a simple video, okay, and post over there. Suppose that 10,000 people has views your videos. Now assume that 10% of people are going to visit on your website, 1,000, or gonna contact you, suppose, okay? So you are getting sales, right? If someone is visiting to your website, someone is coming to your website, means they're interested, okay, or they are gonna buy. If approx 10% is gonna buy, then 100 people are gonna buy, okay? So use them. And as for the recent update, Google had says like they are going to index the videos from social media platforms as well, okay? So you can use them to boost your sales, to boost your product visibility, make the people know about your brand. That's the basic motto of any marketing agency, or you can say for the SEO, or for you as well. You want to build a brand, right? So you need to use them, and it's a good thing that Google is also considering those posts to getting indexed, so you can get a huge traffic from there. So use them. I will show you some example. What if you will use the social media and what you will get. Don't forget to communicate with the people, like whoever visiting to your product or whoever commenting over there. Don't miss them, connect with them, engage with them as much as you can. After posting, just don't get relaxed. Engage with the people, share with their friends, or tell them to share with their friends, or you can tell them to share in groups as well. So use them, engage them. Till now we have talked about keyword research, product page optimization, SEO content optimization, link building, SEO with social media. What next? Okay, don't worry, I got your back. We have bonus tip for you as well, so be with me. Okay, next, sixth thing is optimizing your website for mobile, okay, or you can say mobile friendly website. As you all know, there are many users who are doing shoppings through their mobiles. Approx 60% of users are shopping from mobile. There are less people who are using PCs for shopping. Remember yourself, how many times you use PC to buy shoes? How many times you use PC to buy a t-shirt, shirt, or whatever? Okay, so there are many people actually going to use mobile to buy your products. So make your website mobile friendly. make it load fast. Okay, so there are many other factors which matters actually for mobile optimization. Okay, so make sure your website is mobile friendly. Or best example you can take from is like big companies. How will you find that your website is mobile friendly or not? Go to this URL and you will see whatever errors your website is having. Okay, it's a free tool, you don't have to pay for anything. So go and use and find the errors and ask your developer or yourself to resolve it. Okay, now seventh thing is speed optimization. I agree. I have said there are less people who are going to use desktop for buying your products. Okay, I agree, but speed matters for all website and in desktop as well. If your website speed is good as the users landed to your website and they are able to see everything on your website. Okay, so make your website load fast. Okay, on every device, mobile, tablet, TV, desktop, everywhere. If your website good in mobile, then it will load good in desktop as well. So don't worry about it. Make sure that your website is loading fast. Okay, last but not least, make sure your UI UX is good. Why I'm saying this? Because people are going to see how your products are structured, how your website is structured, how easily they can buy your product, how easily they can going to order your product. So make sure your UI UX is easy to access and easy to travel from one page to other. Suppose that you have a t-shirt product and you want to sell that fast, and if you are using tons of pages to move here and there to buy a product, then users are not going to buy it. Okay, make sure your content, website content is in silo way. Okay, in SEO we call them silo content. So make sure your website is silo content. Okay, make sure your visitors travel in a good pages. Okay, so they can buy the product easily. Okay, and also your products, images, and also your design matters for selling your products. It's basically make the users to know more about your brand, of how much you are selling it, how you are selling. I'm going to show you a few examples here. You can use design like this. Okay, these designs, these are not too many complications. They come with the attractive graphics. Okay, and better product description, better product title, and product details. Okay, so these are the best thing you can do. Okay, what kind of platform actually you should use for these or covering these all three? I would recommend to go with Shopify. It just charges $10 per month and it's easy to set up and easy to do. And what you need to do is you need to set up Google things. I mean to say, you need to set up Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and other tracking platforms. Okay, and it is setting up Google tools. Don't forget to set up Google tools. Okay, Google tools like Search Console, Google Analytics. These two are the basic tools you need to set up. Okay, first, what Google Search Console does? Okay, you might be curious about that. Okay, it's a basic tool. Google and Search Console gonna help you to index your website and present your website on a Google search engine. First thing is, it's gonna crawl your website, index your website, and present in the search result page. Okay, and there are many other things you can do. Actually, you can monitor your technical issues over there like these. You can monitor your organic traffic over there, how much clicks you are getting and how much impression you are getting. Okay, and there are many other things you can do. Even you can monitor your mobile friendly website or any error over there. Okay, so there are lots of things to do and optimize over there. Okay, so you need to set up. You will get free keywords for your products. You don't need to go here and there. After a period of time, Google will start showing you some keywords. The best part is, you know what you can do with those keywords? You can use them in your blogs. You can use them in optimizing your content. Earlier we have talked about optimizing content, right? So you can use them there. You can use those keywords to optimize your product pages, optimize your blogs, writing new content, or suggesting anything new to your users if you get something. So you set up these tools. Okay, it's fine. You talked about the Google Search Console. What about Google Analytics? Okay, Google Analytics is going to tell you the behavior of your users, where they are landing, how much they are buying, and where they are not doing anything. Suppose that there is a home page and there are multiple pages over there, okay, on your website. Okay, so suppose user had landed on the home page, okay, and now they landed on a product page, okay, from the home page to product page, and they added your product in a cart but didn't buy it. Then your user stopped here. Then how you going to track how many abandoned carts you have? So analytics is going to help you to understand your user behavior, okay, and you can also monitor your sales. So it will be easy to measure your things, where your user is landing, how much they are buying, okay, and where they are not buying, which product is doing well, which product is not doing well, so that you can do other steps to optimize those products as well. Okay, these are the things you need to apply on your website, and I'm damn sure actually you will get the results. In few months you will start getting the results. You just need to optimize, or you just need to apply these things on a proper way. You will get the results soon. Okay, so here what we are doing actually. If you want us to do those whole stuff for you, then don't forget to click below and tell us about your business. Let's schedule a call. Let's go on a call and discuss what are the things we can do together, how we can help each other. We are offering 30-minute free session for understanding how things work and what are the things you will need. It's free 30-minute consultancy for you guys. Just go and fill the form and tell us about your business, tell us about your difficulties, and we are here to solve you those problems and make your business a brand and boost yourself as much as we can.